Alright guys, thank you very much for staying tuned to my channel. So in this video, I'll be walking you through how to use or how to easily calculate your summation whenever you need to sum up a set of numbers. For example, if you have 1000 here, you have 405 here, you have 800 here. So take a scenario where you need to sum this up. Of course, wherever you know how to use your sum function, we have a video on that. You see the links to the video in the comments field below. So all you need to do is to do your sum, click on tab, then drag this right, close the bracket, and hit enter. You have 3200, right? So you also come here and drag it down like this. You have the sum for all of those rows, right? So assume that okay, you have this scenario where you have the first quarter of the year, the second quarter, the third quarter, and fourth quarter. So you want to calculate the total sales in the month of January, February, March, right? Like in sections like that. And you also want to calculate, to ascertain the total sales for product A, the total volume or the total value of product B sold, total value of product C sold, like that. So it means that you also need to come here and start doing your sum for this and not calculate that. So then you also have to track. So I want to show you an easier way around it. So that you don't have to start writing from the formula, sum function, one after the other like that. So here I'll be introducing you to the alt plus equal to function. Just say alt equal to, because really on your keyboard the equal to operator and the addition operator are located on the same button. Just that you have to access the addition operator, you have to click on you have to hold down your shift in order to access it. So all you need to do is to drag this from here up to the point where you want your total to, like this, and click on alt and that button right there, or another button right there. Right, so just like we've done for the first quarter, so you apply the same. So maybe you want to rename this, you want to come here and add the new border lines to this, right? Just like they have for this, make this C border line, right? So that's something that makes sense, right? So we have this same area, great. So let's come here and call this total. Let's refer to this as total monthly sales, right? If that makes sense. So it addresses everything that is within that column, right? Great. So we apply the same logic to all of this. So let's for example's sake, let's just come here and say if there are alt equal to, let's comment again, let's know what code is it given that let's go and see alt equal to. So it didn't work because there was nothing in the month of June, right? So let's erase that and let's just put random. Let's see what let's so 1000 and 9000. Just make random number. Also wanted to give us random numbers from July, August, and September. Alright, so I'm just creating an example that we can work with just to illustrate what I'm really trying to say. Right? So great. Let's put that. So let's come here and draw alt equal to. So come here and say alt equal to. Let's try it again. Alt equal to. Are you not working? Alt equal to. So this is red. Let's say alt equal to. This is red. So we come here You say alt 30, this is worked, right? And if you come here and just say alt equals right? So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to just do your alt, and whenever you get your alt, you see that automatically it's embedded in that formula, in the sum formula. So it's just a shortcut. Really, what you are still doing is writing or using the sum function, right? Because you're just finding the easy way around it, or using the faster way, or the faster route around. So I hope you're able to learn something from this video. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to send to somebody. I think it's also good to learn from this. So the next video, I love you guys. Okay.